First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine and this is the location for engine air filter. Notice there is one bracket right here and the other bracket right there. So we'll need to press both of these brackets down one by one. That's one bracket. There's the other bracket. Once both the brackets are pulled down, now what we will do is we'll grab the top cover and then lift it upwards all the way. There it is, and right there is our engine air filter. Just grab the filter out from this corner right here and then slide it outwards. That is how the filter is taken out. In my case, the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure the curved side, which is like this, stays at the top, and the other side with the black cover like this stays at the bottom. It doesn't really matter if it's this way or the other way around. Both ways are perfectly fine, as long as this side stays at the top. Now we'll go ahead and punch in this filter back where we took it out from. Just lift up the cover one more time all the way up, and then we slide in the filter in that position right there. We make sure it's completely in from all over the edges, and it seems like it is, keeping it like this. Now we'll put down the cover like that. And we'll come to the back side of the cover right here. Notice at the back of the cover right there, there's actually one position right here and there is one tab. Similar to that, on the top side, there's one more position and one more tab. So what we'll have to do is, we will need to grab the top cover just like that, and then we gently punch in both of those tabs into those two positions. One tab is in, making sure the other side is also completely in. There it is. Once both of them are completely in from the top and the bottom, we'll make sure the top cover is pressed down and then punch in both of these brackets right here. Notice here there is that harness. It is going underneath that top cover. So what we'll have to do is take it out just like that. Harness is out. Now we'll make sure the top cover is completely sitting down and not shaking, which is good. Now we are good to punch in both of those brackets. So I'll punch in the first bracket right here. That bracket is in. Also punch in the other bracket, which is right there. That's it. With that, we are done with the replacement of engine air filter for this vehicle. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.